What if I told you that the most important thing you do for your health today isn't your morning workout or your organic lunch, but a simple 30-second ritual you perform right before your head hits the pillow? For most of us, nighttime is a period of passive rest, but for your metabolism, it is a period of intense activity. While you sleep, your body is frantically trying to repair tissues, balance hormones, and manage the glucose you consumed during the day. However, for many people, this process is broken. You wake up feeling groggy, your joints feel stiff, and despite sleeping for 8 hours, you feel as though you haven't rested at all. This is often due to a silent metabolic spike that happens while you dream. But there is a legendary household staple that has been used for thousands of years, from the battlefields of ancient Greece to the modern labs of nutritional science, that can change everything. We are talking about apple cider vinegar, specifically when consumed at night. Most people think of vinegar as just a salad dressing, but when you understand the chemistry of acetic acid, you realize it is a biological master key. By taking it at night, you are strategically timing its impact to coincide with your body's deepest repair cycle. Today, we are going to explore the 7 exact benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar before bed. We aren't just talking about feeling better. We are talking about measurable changes in your blood chemistry, your digestive efficiency, and your internal inflammation. But be warned, if you take it the wrong way, you can actually damage your tooth enamel or irritate your esophagus. Stay with me until the end, because I am going to reveal the 1-hour rule, a critical mistake that almost everyone makes, which determines whether the vinegar heals your body or causes unnecessary stress. If you are ready to turn your sleep into a period of maximum fat burning and cellular repair, pay close attention to these 7 benefits. Benefit 1. Reducing fasting blood glucose levels. The first and most powerful benefit is the stabilization of your fasting blood sugar. Many people suffer from what is known as the dawn phenomenon. This is when your liver releases extra glucose into your bloodstream in the early morning hours to give you energy to wake up. For those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, this causes blood sugar to soar, leading to long-term kidney and nerve damage. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has a profound effect on how your body processes sugar. When you take it at night, the acetic acid slows down the conversion of complex carbohydrates into sugar. More importantly, it improves insulin sensitivity in your muscles. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that individuals who took 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a small cheese snack before bed saw a 4 to 6% reduction in their fasting blood sugar levels by the next morning. This isn't just a minor shift. It is a significant metabolic win that protects your heart and kidneys from the corrosive effects of high sugar while you sleep. Benefit number 2 is the activation of your fat-burning switch. Your body has 2 primary fuel sources, glucose and stored body fat. Most of us are sugar burners, meaning our bodies never get a chance to tap into our fat reserves because insulin levels are always too high. Acetic acid is a rare compound that actually suppresses the genes responsible for fat storage while upregulating the genes responsible for fat oxidation or burning. By consuming apple cider vinegar at night, you are lowering your insulin levels right as you enter your longest fasting window. When insulin is low, your body is finally allowed to access stored adipose tissue for energy. This means that while you are in deep sleep, your body is literally fueled by its own fat reserves. This leads to a gradual reduction in visceral fat, the dangerous fat stored around your organs. It's not a miracle weight loss cure, but it is a powerful metabolic nudge that shifts your body into a state of fat-burning efficiency. Benefit 3. Preventing silent acid reflux and indigestion. The third benefit addresses a common nighttime agony, acid reflux. Most people believe that reflux is caused by too much stomach acid, but in reality, it is often caused by too little. When your stomach acid is too weak, the esophageal sphincter, the valve that keeps food down, doesn't receive the signal to close tightly. This allows weak acid to leak up into your throat when you lie down. Apple cider vinegar is an acidic liquid that helps lower the pH of your stomach. By taking it before bed, you are providing your stomach with the acidity it needs to signal that valve to shut tight. This prevents the silent reflux that causes many people to wake up with a sore throat or a cough. Furthermore, it aids in the breakdown of your final meal of the day, ensuring that proteins are properly digested so they don't ferment and cause bloating while you sleep. Benefit 4. Lowering uric acid and joint inflammation. Benefit number 4 is the reduction of joint pain and the management of uric acid. Many of us wake up with morning stiffness, where the fingers and knees feel inflamed. This is often caused by an accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, a condition that can lead to gout and general arthritis. While apple cider vinegar is acidic outside the body, it has an alkalinizing effect once it is metabolized. This helps to balance the body's pH and assists the kidneys in flushing out excess uric acid. By reducing the acidic load on your joints overnight, you allow the body's natural anti-inflammatory mechanisms to work more effectively. Many people report that after just 2 weeks of a nighttime ACV routine, that sharp, crystalline pain in their joints begins to fade, replaced by a sense of fluid mobility. Benefit 5. Eliminating nighttime leg cramps. We have all experienced that sudden, excruciating Charlie horse in the middle of the night. These cramps are often a signal of a mineral imbalance, specifically a lack of potassium or a failure to absorb minerals properly. Apple cider vinegar is a natural source of potassium, but its real benefit comes from its ability to improve mineral absorption. Because the acetic acid improves the acidity of the gut, it makes minerals like magnesium and calcium more bioavailable. This means your muscles have the electrolytes they need to remain relaxed. When you mix ACV with a little warm water and a tiny bit of honey at night, you are providing your muscles with a mineral cocktail that prevents the involuntary contractions that wake you up in pain.
Benefit 6. Clearing respiratory mucus and sore throat. Benefit number 6 is the antimicrobial wash. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful antibacterial agent. If you are someone who suffers from chronic sinus issues or wakes up with a stuffy head, ACV can be a game changer. The potassium in the vinegar helps to thin out mucus, while the acetic acid prevents the growth of bacteria in the throat. By drinking a diluted ACV mixture before bed, you are effectively sanitizing the back of your throat. This can prevent the onset of a sore throat and help clear the nasal passages, allowing for deeper, more oxygenated breathing. Improved breathing leads to better oxygen saturation in the blood, which is essential for the deep sleep phase where your brain performs its nightly glymphatic detox. Benefit 7. Enhancing gut microbiome diversity. Finally, we have the benefit of gut health. If you use raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, you are consuming a wealth of beneficial bacteria and prebiotics. Your gut is the home of your immune system and the place where 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced. During the night, your gut bacteria are at hard work. By providing them with the acetic acid and pectin found in ACV, you are feeding the good guys. This helps to suppress the growth of harmful bacteria like Candida and E. coli. A healthy gut microbiome leads to less inflammation, better mood regulation, and a much stronger immune response. When you wake up, your digestive system is primed and ready to go, rather than feeling sluggish and heavy. Now, we come to the one habit that determines if this elixir is a medicine or a toxin, the 1-hour rule. The most common mistake people make is drinking apple cider vinegar and then immediately lying down in bed. Because ACV is highly acidic, if you lie down immediately, the liquid can move back into the esophagus and cause irritation or heartburn. You must consume your ACV mixture at least 60 minutes before lying flat. This allows the vinegar to pass safely into the stomach. Furthermore, you must never drink it straight. You should always dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in at least 8 ounces of water. To protect your tooth enamel, it is highly recommended to drink it through a straw and then rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. This ensures you get all 7 metabolic benefits without the structural damage to your teeth or throat.
Your body is an amazing self-healing machine, but it requires the right signals to function. By adding this simple, ancient nighttime ritual, you are giving your insulin, your digestion, and your joints a chance to reset. You're choosing to work with your biology instead of against it. Start tonight, 1 tablespoon in a glass of water an hour before bed. Listen to your body, watch your morning energy levels, and pay attention to how your joints feel. This isn't just a trend, it is a return to a fundamental way of nourishing the human frame. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed ways to reclaim your health. Comment Elixir below if you are joining us in this nighttime challenge. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.